Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're so much welcome. Today we are going to prepare chicken stew. I'm just going to show you the ingredients, then we can start. Before we proceed, kindly subscribe, give it a big thumbs up if you like this video, and comment down below.
Okay guys, first things first, so you need to make sure that your chicken is well flavored and soft enough to cook, and in order to achieve that, use the spices that you have to season it. I will add some chicken masala and black pepper. Then I'll add salt to the chicken and mix it well. Make sure that you mix it well. And finally, I'm going to add crushed garlic into the chicken, mix it well, and allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes. After your chicken has marinated, put your cooking oil in the cooking pan and allow it to heat up. And you should allow your chicken to deep fry well until it achieves a golden brown color. Then when your chicken is all fried up, put it in a bowl and put it aside for later use. So at this point, what I am doing is cutting my garlic and my ginger into small pieces, and then proceed and add them into the blender together with the tomatoes to blend them and produce a paste. Add your cut onions in the heated oil and cook them until they turn golden brown. Then after your onions are well cooked up, proceed to add 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and then add your blended mixture. And mix it well cook it until the oil floats on top. Then add a tablespoon of tomato paste, which is easily accessible in the nearest shop around you, and soy sauce, mix it, and at this point you can now add your chicken in the mixture. Mix it up and allow it to cook. Make sure to also add salt, and as usual, mix it and let it cook for about 5 minutes now until it's ready. So this is how your chicken stew should look like at the end of it all, and let me tell you guys, it was so delicious. Thank you guys for spending time with me today. See you on my next video.